let's talk homeowners insurance. All we've heard is bad things about homeowners insurance in Florida for quite a few years now. Because of all of the storms and the claims, there was quite a significant uptick in premium cost for homeowners insurance. It has impacted the market and a buyer's ability to actually purchase because of the increase in homeowners insurance premium. And finally, we get some good news. So in 2026, there are several carriers that have applied for and have stated that they're going to lower premiums by certain percentages. So we have State Farm, we have Peninsula, we have Heritage Casualty, even Citizens Insurance, which is the insurer of last resort here in Florida, has talked about a rate decrease that on average they think is going to actually save policyholders about 11% across the board, which can be very significant considering how much the policies increased over the past few years. Now, if you have Citizens Insurance, you may be able to go ahead and try a private insurer. You always want to get a new quote every year and review those. Make sure that they're apples to apples quotes. There are a lot of people that maybe have $400,000 in dwelling coverage. They get a quote, they think it's great, but their dwelling coverage is now $250,000 on the quote. So you're getting less coverage. That's why your premium is decreasing. If you have a loan and your lender escrows your homeowner's insurance, you also want to make sure that the lender will approve the new insurance company that you are receiving the new quote from and that you want to bind a policy with. You have to update your lender to make sure they know who to pay whenever your insurance premium comes due. And then you wait until January of the following year so they can adjust your payment. You'll get a statement every January that adjusts for property taxes and homeowners insurance. So you may get a lower premium on your renewal, and you may think that your mortgage payment with your taxes and your escrows is going to go down. That's not going to happen right away. It's going to continue throughout the remainder of the year. And then the bank, the lender, will adjust at the beginning of the year, depending on whatever the costs are. They adjust for both taxes and insurance. So if your insurance goes down, but your taxes go up, you may not see much change in your monthly payment. If they both go down, then you will see a decrease in your monthly payment, and they'll itemize that for you in January. If you have any questions about all of the premium changes, and if you have Citizens and you're looking to go to a private insurer instead of Citizens, I highly recommend you either speak to your real estate attorney or your insurance agent. I know nowadays it's very common for people to fill out a form online or an application and receive insurance that way, so you don't necessarily have a dedicated agent. I would highly recommend, especially in Florida, that you have an actual agent that you can speak to about all of your coverage options. It is very helpful not only when pricing out new premiums, but in the unfortunate event that you have a claim, they are going to be invaluable to you to be able to walk you through how to make that claim and how to deal with your insurer through that claim.